Hi, welcome to the VK tutorial video. In this video, we will add the remote control function to monitor the power in the meeting room. Back to the Unizone configuration tab, click Add here, select the second Add control item. You can change the field name here. Click the drop-down menu here. Enter the name of the execution command here. Done, click Create. And then create another one. Click here, and we could see the instructions that can be entered below, just like macro. For example, I enter 4 relays close. On the other side, enter 4 relays open. After finishing, upload the project. You will see new function here that can control the meeting room. Select Power On and click Apply. The execution was successful. Next is Power Off. You can see it also works. Thank you for watching, see you next time.